Hi there. You might be looking at starting a DIY project at home, or you may just be interested in learning more about construction materials such as cement, aggregates, and concrete, sometimes referred to as Readymix. I started this channel to provide interested parties with information about various products used in construction, and since concrete is one of the most commonly used commodity in construction, I decided that this would be a good place to start. Most of the information is from my experience in the supply of construction materials and from collecting information from various sites related to the topic. If you like what you see and want to be notified of more content such as this, please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button. I have found that many people confuse cement and concrete with each other. When we cover the topic of cement in a later video, you will note that the process of manufacturing cement is very different to manufacturing concrete. In fact, cement is used in the manufacture of concrete. So, just what exactly is ready-mix concrete? In this introductory video, we will discuss the history and evolution of concrete. So let's dive in. In the world of construction, ready-mix concrete stands as a foundational innovation, quite literally. Its history is a tale of evolution, driven by the need for efficiency, consistency, and reliability in building materials. The origins of ready-mix concrete can be traced back to the ancient Romans, who utilized a primitive form of concrete made from lime, volcanic ash, and water. However, the modern incarnation of ready-mix concrete began to take shape in the early 20th century. Early pioneers in the field recognized the potential of premix concrete to streamline construction processes and improve project outcomes. Richard L. Humphrey's invention of the concrete mixing truck in 1903 laid the foundation for the modern ready-mix concrete industry, paving the way for further advancements in the decades to come. This innovation allowed for the transportation of premix concrete to construction sites, significantly reducing labor and time required on-site. As the demand for more efficient construction methods grew, so did the need for improved concrete formulations. The establishment of centralized batch plants in the 1930s marked a significant turning point in the history of ready-mix concrete. This centralized production model allowed for greater control over the quality and consistency of the concrete mixture. Throughout the mid-20th century, advancements in chemistry and engineering further propelled the evolution of ready-mix concrete. Additives such as plasticizers, accelerators, and retarders were introduced to enhance various properties of the concrete, including setting time, workability, and strength. The widespread adoption of ready-mix concrete in the construction industry can be attributed to its numerous advantages. One of the primary benefits is its consistency. Unlike traditional on-site mixing, which can lead to variations in the quality of the concrete, ready-mix concrete ensures uniformity in composition and performance. One notable advantage of ready-mix concrete is its versatility. It can be customized to meet a wide range of structural and aesthetic requirements, making it suitable for everything from residential foundations to high-rise buildings and infrastructure projects. Moreover, ready-mix concrete offers significant time savings. With pre-mix batches delivered directly to the construction site, builders can expedite the construction process, leading to faster project completion times. Additionally, ready-mix concrete is more environmentally friendly than traditional concrete mixing methods. By centralizing production in specialized batch plants, manufacturers can optimize resource utilization and minimize waste generation. From a technical standpoint, ready-mix concrete is typically composed of 4 primary ingredients: cement, aggregates, water, and admixtures. Cement acts as the binding agent, holding the mixture together, while aggregates, such as sand and gravel, provide bulk and stability. Water is essential for initiating the chemical reaction known as hydration, which causes the cement to harden and form a solid matrix. Admixtures are added to modify specific properties of the concrete, such as viscosity, setting time, and durability. The proportions of these ingredients vary depending on the desired characteristics of the concrete and the requirements of the construction project. Engineers carefully design mixtures to achieve optimal strength, workability, and durability while considering factors such as climate, load-bearing capacity, and environmental conditions. In recent years, innovations in ready-mix concrete technology have continued to push the boundaries of what's possible. Self-consolidating concrete, SCC, for example, is a specialized type of ready-mix concrete that flows easily into place without the need for vibration, making it ideal for complex architectural designs and congested reinforcement configurations. Furthermore, advancements in sustainable concrete production have led to the development of eco-friendly alternatives such as high-performance concrete, HPC, and recycled concrete aggregate, RCA. These innovations aim to reduce the environmental impact of construction activities while maintaining the performance and durability of the concrete. Therefore, from a sustainability perspective, ready-mix concrete offers several advantages over traditional concrete mixing methods. By optimizing resource utilization and minimizing waste generation, it helps reduce the environmental footprint of construction activities. As the construction industry continues to evolve, so too will the technology behind ready-mix concrete. Continuous discoveries related to additives and admixtures allowed engineers to tailor concrete mixtures to meet specific performance requirements, opening up new possibilities for design and construction. The role of ready-mix concrete will remain central to the built environment. Its versatility, durability, and sustainability make it an indispensable building material for projects large and small, ensuring that structures stand the test of time while minimizing their impact on the planet. Looking ahead, the future of ready-mix concrete is filled with promise and potential. As the construction industry continues to evolve, so too will the technologies and techniques used in concrete production. With ongoing research and development, ready-mix concrete will remain a cornerstone of modern construction, enabling builders to construct safer, more efficient, and more sustainable structures for generations to come. This has been an introduction to ready-mix concrete. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it informative. Keep a lookout for more videos related to construction materials. Cheers for now.